Good morning, class. Today we are gonna learn about George Washington. So let's start. Bug. Who burped in
It
class?
was Mary Test. I saw her mouth open.
Mary, you know burping in class is not allowed. Go to the principal's office right now.
Morning, Mary. What brings you here to my office? And why are you crying like a baby?
I burped in class.
Mary, you do not ever burp in class. That's it. You are suspended for 5 days. Go home now. I'm calling your parents.
Mary, we can't believe you got suspended from school for burping on class. That's it. You're grounded until your school suspension is
There will
over.
be no computer, no iPhone, no friends, no TV, no cake, no pizza, no toys, and no life until your suspension is over. Go to bed right now.
Why?